Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So in the last video, we learned how we can create different shades of our colors in the design system using Figma variables, which is just introduced like a couple of weeks ago, which makes the design system creation super efficient. And yeah, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the text styles, actually the typography, to your design system so you can use it all over your product without worrying about editing some of the styles. So I've seen, there are many ways to do this, but the way I do it is basically adding most of the text styles in your design system in a proper way with a proper size. So for example, I've divided all the typography to 7 sections. First is display, which is the huge, the biggest one. And then we have the title, which are smaller and they can be used regularly on your product. Then we have the links, and then we have the subtitles, body text, caption, and code. And I've divided these by font weight basically. So the title is the boldest one, and then we have the links or buttons, which is the semi-bold, and then we have the subtitle, which is medium, body text is regular, and the captions are light. I also added the code because in many design systems I've seen designers that they don't see any code or italic text in the typography. So I just added this one here. In potentially if you need to use any italic text, you just use these ones, and you don't need to like again create another style or like add a text, add a font size and font shape manually, because that's going to be tedious if your project gets big. And if you change anything, like for example you want to change the font through the app, that's going to create a lot of manual work, and that's not recommended. So yeah, just to be safe, I added these two. And one other thing that I wanted to mention is that, as you can see, I've divided each type of style to 5 numbers. So caption 10, which is the smallest, and 50, which is the biggest. So the smallest text you can have, smallest font size you can have on a product, it is recommended to not to go below 12 pixels. But 12 pixels is already too small, but again, just to be safe, you need to have a smallest font. So our smallest font is going to be 12 pixels, and for each of them I'm just going to increment them by 2. So 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. So yeah, basically that's our typography in our design system. And also one thing that you need to really and I mean really pay attention to is the letter spacing and line height, because I've seen not many people like pay enough attention to these. For example, as you can see here, I've already added this styles. So let's edit this one. As you can see, this is the title 50, and I added the line height 32. If I add it to if I make it auto, you can see that it's 30, but it's not that readable when you have like 2 lines of text. So I just want to make sure that it's a little bit more spaced out. So with this, since it's 20 pixels, it needs to be more spaced out. The bigger you go, they need to be tighter. So yeah, it's gonna be 32. And if you see in the display, but if you see here, actually I've reduced the line height, because if it's auto, as you can see, it's 96. But I don't want to like I don't want the display to like be spaced out that much, because it's going to take a lot of space, and also the title is big enough to be readable. So let's just go back and redo it, undo it. And yeah, so in order to create this, let's just remove some of these styles so you can see how the creation process is done. So this is the title that I created. So I'm just going to delete all of these, and I'm just going to start from scratch. So as you can see, we have title 50. And if I want to add these to my design system in Figma to the text styles, I just go ahead and tap on these four dots, styles, and then I create a style. And now to group them inside the title, as you saw, I just add title here, space, slash, and I enter the name of the text style. So it's gonna be title 50. I'm just gonna copy this one so I can reuse it for other ones. Okay, create style, and then I'm gonna go ahead to the next one, and now again create style, and it's gonna be 40. Next one, create style, it's gonna be 30. Again, next one, it's gonna be 20, and the last one is gonna be 10. And now if I go to my text styles, as you can see, we have already created these ones right now, and I'm just gonna maybe take it to here so it's like aligned both visually in design and in the list. And yeah, you just need to examine, you first need to like choose and examine the styles you wanna, they look good on your specific typeface. So for example, this one here, I use Poppins. For Poppins, actually, it's okay to go with, so for the size 20 pixels, it's okay to go with 32 line height and 1% letter spacing. But for other texts, like for example for Inter, it might not be, it might not be the same. So you need to check if it looks good or not. You need to like manage these visually. But yeah, I'm also gonna share this text with you on the link description, so you can have them and add them to the design system. All right, I think that's it for this video, and I'm gonna upload another one so we can complete our design system part by part, and make sure to follow the series. Leave a like, let me know what you think on the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.